One of the ways you can make money with Quora Partner Program is Quora Spaces. In this video, I'm going to give you the method I use to earn from my new Quora Space and drive traffic to my blog. What's up, workers? Amar here, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. It will be a well appreciated support. And if you like this video, please drop a comment or question below. Now, if you don't already know about Quora Partner Program, very simple. Quora will reward the members and the spaces who have high readership. So, the more quality content you provide and publish, the more it will be read and the more you can earn. So the question is where the money is coming from. So people are buying ads on Quora actually, and based on your content popularity and readership, you get a small part of it. Let me show you here on my small space. If I scroll down, there is my content, and if I scroll down, there is another content from contributors, and you can see here that it says sponsored. So this is actually an ad, and people are paying to show this ad on Quora. So Quora will show ads on your space or on your profile and content, and then you will get a small cut of that. So you can see here that there is a lot of content, and sometimes you can see a post that is saying sponsored. So let's check another one. Sponsored, this one is already an ad. So now we know where the money is coming from. So for me, a few months ago, I created this Quora space called Work and Make Money Online for three main reasons. The first one is the Quora Partner Program, and I'm looking at this as a long-term investment. The second reason is to drive free traffic to my blogs, and the third one is to promote my YouTube channels and my YouTube videos. So as you can see here, sometimes you can see me publishing an article with a YouTube video on it. That's just an example. If I scroll down, I will see other examples, and all the time, every time I publish a video on YouTube, I come to Quora and publish it on my space. So as I just mentioned, I created this space for the first reason was the Quora Partner Program, but let me show you something. If I go back to the menu and then click on the stats and earnings, so here you can see the stats of the space. So this is like every day's views, like this Thursday, yesterday was yesterday, so I received 800 views on my content. And now if I go to earnings, you can see that with 527 followers, which is next to nothing, there are spaces with millions of followers, and this is brand new. I just made like 0.2323 cents. This is, as I told you, next to nothing, but this is a long-term investment, and some people are already making good money from it, and some other people are making a living from it. So this small space has just started growing. I saw that in the last few days I'm gaining like 20 to 30 followers every day, and also I am consistent with the publishing. So every day I publish at least one topic, one question, or one answer. So since I have good reasons to grow this Quora space, like I told you, three reasons. The first one is the partner program. The second one is to drive free traffic to my blogs and my websites, and the third one is to promote my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos. So I'm going to share with you 4 tips that I use on a daily basis to grow this space here. Number one, content is king, and I'm talking quantity and quality. Share good quality content every day, and when I say content, it can be new questions, new answers, or new topics. Let me open a bracket here to give you a very important information that you need to consider when publishing your content on your space. You have to do some keyword research before creating the content or submitting it to your space on Quora, because Quora has the ability, the power to rank on Google. So if you want to rank on Google for a keyword or a few keywords, you can use those on your Quora topic, post, question, or answer. And when it happens, when a question is ranked on Google, it will drive you a lot of views. This will help your Quora partner program, and also it will help you drive a lot of traffic to your blogs or to your websites. It's like passive income and passive traffic as well. So let's recap the tip number one, which is sharing lots of quality content on daily basis. That content can be questions, new answers, or new posts on the space. And always use keywords as much as possible and as much as correctly as possible. Now look at this kind of questions that are shared here. If I click here on questions, you can see, for example, how do you use Warrior Plus to make money? How do you build a list with Warrior Plus? How do you add 10 subscribers to your email list every day? So these are targeted questions, and they can rank easily on Google. Now let's move on to the second tip, which is Quora Suggestions. So if I click here, Suggestions is like topics and posts and questions and answers that have been featured by Quora based on the keywords that you put on your own space. So Quora will give you some content, so high quality content, because it was featured by Quora, to share on your space. So if you see something that you like, you can just click on this button here saying share to space, and you got a piece of content shared on your space, which will bring you more popularity and more views. And this will help you grow your space fast, because you have free relevant content to share on your space every day. So I'm going to share a couple now. This one seems to be good. So before sharing, actually, you need to take a look at the article. I'm just going to show you exactly what you do, but you need first to check the article and read it and see. If you like it, you can upvote it. That's a good thing for him, for the writer, and for your space. And you can, of course, share it on your space. You can add some relevant content here, like you say, look at this interesting thing here, for example, and if you want to do this, please take a look at this, and then you share the post. Now, tip number 3 is one of the most powerful ones, and it is sharing popular answers on your space. You can add some information from yourself, but you need to find popular questions and answers and then share them on your space. And for this, I will show you a little trick that you can do, and that is using Quora Ads platform to find where are the questions that are really popular. So this is how exactly you do it. You click on your avatar here, and you click on Ads Manager. Once you click on Ads Manager, if you're not already registered, it will ask you to register. It's free. You don't have to provide any credit card information or payment information, or it's completely free and you can use it. And then you create a campaign. I already did create a campaign. I gave it a name like Test 01, and then you click on it. Once you click on the campaign's name, you need to create ad set. So click here and then come down to questions, and then you click on bulk ad in order for you to pick a keyword. Let's say, for example, make money online. Make money online, and then hit the continue button. So it will show you a list of popular questions, and they are sorted by weekly views. Like for the first one is receiving between 4,000 and 4,500 views a week. So you already know that this question is popular. All you have to do is click on it to open it, and then here is the question. It has 10,000 followers and it has more than 100 answers. The first one here is the highest rated answer. It's supposed to be the best one. So all you have to do is share it on your space. So you click on this share button here and then choose a space. You can click on this and then find your space. If you don't find it on the list here, you can just type the name of your space and it will appear here. So in this case, this is the space. I'm going to click on it, and then if I want to add some text here explaining what this is about, I can add it, but you can also just share it right away. And now that popular question is shared on my space. I can go back, find another popular question that is relevant to the space content, and then share it. For example, what are the best ways to make money as a teenager? I'm not interested by this one. Like for example, this one, what is the best way to earn money online? Yeah, I can go with that one. So click on it. Find the best answer, which is let me see, this one. So this one, take a look at it. There are lots of links in it, but you can decide if you want to share it or you don't want to share it. And when you decide to share it on your space, you can just come to this one here, this button which says share, and go ahead and share it. What you can do also at this point here is find less competitive questions here, for example in this range here, and then try to provide a very good answer, and then of course it will rank and you can share it on your space. Now here is the fourth tip that I'm using to grow this space, is to find good contributors. As you can see here on this sidebar, we are 3 moderators, myself and 2 other members, and we are 51 contributors. So these people here can contribute, can post their content on this space, and these people here can moderate that content. So if you find good contributors that can like post on a daily basis, it will help you populate your space with high quality content, and of course attract more views and more earnings in the process. So finally, if you want to add one more stream of traffic and earnings to your arsenal, you can go ahead, create a Quora Space completely free, completely fast, and then start working on it by publishing good content, interacting with members, sharing good quality content. Now, thank you very much for making it so far and watching the whole video. Please, if you like it, give it a like, support the channel by subscribing and or dropping a comment below, and I will see you on the next video.